Hi, Peter. How you doing?
Yeah, good, Kelly. How are you today?
I'm fine. Thanks for asking. So, how is your session with us the when you start working with the Sky States? How's your session and how's your starting with us? Please elaborate something.
Great. Kelly's very persistent at following up and very professional following up with me on certain tasks that need to happen. And I have another gentleman that's helping me find positions that are acceptable to my or will fit my resume.
Mm-hmm.
And it's been a great experience so far.
Oh, great. And what about to your interview? Just join with us, right? And how many days we are taking to helping you to find a position?
Yeah, the first day we talked. The next day, a gentleman contacted me about an SD-WAN position in New York City with WWT and Bank of New York, and I had my first interview today, which went great. So I had an interview right out of the box with Kelly, and again, it was amazing, amazing results.
Thank you. And do you want to say something for Sky States more?
Yeah, what I like about Sky States, I like the progression. The gentleman that explained the curriculum, he went through that there's projects for each section that there are in the AI. So I do appreciate that, where you're basically, learning the concepts and then doing your project right away and making sure that project's completed and understood. Um, the other thing that impressed me about Sky States is they have a whole job board of listings of AI jobs that are out there right now, as well as cybersecurity and ethical hacking and other positions on there. So at any time, you can go to that job board and select jobs that are appropriate to fit my resume.
Okay, thank you for your this time. I really appreciate it, and you give us a exactly a nice feedback. Thank you for your feedback, Peter. Thank you.
And I got to say, Kelly's been great, very persistent and professional, and in keeping our goals and objectives moving ahead, which is great. I got to say thank you very much, Kelly.
Thank you for your time and your understanding. I really appreciate it, and many more positions come for you. We work for
Right.
a long. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.